Good morning, puppies. Good morning. Good morning. Come, let's stay down. Good morning. You ready? Come on. Jasmine. Here. Here you go. Morning. Where's Faith? Oh, sassy. Girl, good morning. There's a big girl. Good morning, little girl. You hungry? Buddy, out. Go. No. And drain it, and then give it to them, and then start some new stuff to soak. So I'm going to do that because I can need 2 hands to do that. Morning, Jack. Jack. Good morning. What do you thinking? What do you think you're doing, mister? Little miss. No, buddy. Have you? What are you doing? Woof. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof. Crazy dog. Good girl. Good girl. Morning, chickies. Hey, chickens. Chickens, come on. Here you go, ladies. Good morning. Sweet potatoes. Celery for the turtles. Celery. Turtles are fed. I look crazy. The best part, the horsies. Hi, pretty girls. Good morning, my pretty ladies. Good morning. Good morning, old woman. Oh, yes, you want to go out. Good. All right. Come on, Gypsy. Come on. Good girl. Morning, Missy. Morning, gorgeous. How are we this morning? Good morning. Good morning. Ready to go out? Go on. Go on. Good girl. Yeah, thank you. No, not the grass. Come on. Out. Let's go. Come on. Outside, girls. Come on, it's time to stretch. Nope, come on. Go out. Good girls. Come on. Nope, come on. Keep going. Missy, come on. Keep going. Good girl. Off those ones go. Dog. What are you doing? You what? Good morning, Patches. Good morning, you big old beauty. Good morning. Good morning. You ready to go out for the day, Mama? That's a good girl. Ooh, gotta brush you down. Hey, Missy. No, you cannot go in there. You can come say hi, but you can't go in there. Morning, chickies. Good morning, ladies. Good morning. You ready to go out for the day? Come on, everybody. The sun. Yeah, come on. Chickies.